In this video, you will learn how to promote your Printify pop-up store. Follow these simple steps. First, set up your pop-up store. Choose a platform such as Shopify or Etsy to create your store and integrate it with Printify. Then, set up your store, add products and customize your website design. Then, share on social media. Social media such as Instagram, Facebook and TikTok are great for sharing your product with the world. Run ads on social media. Facebook and Instagram ads can create and target ads to reach potential customers. Start with a small budget and adjust it based off of performance. Run TikTok ads. TikTok ads can run campaigns targeting your audience to increase your visibility of your brand. Collaborate with influencers. Reach out to influencers in your niche to promote your product. You can also send out free products in exchange for a shout out. Use email marketing. Collect emails through your website or social media and create an email list. Here, in your email list, you can send newsletters, discount and update your customers and encourage them to keep repeating and buying from your store. Use limited time discounts. Promote limited time discounts to create sales and create urgency. Use codes like New Year 20 or Summer 10 for special promotions. Leverage your network. Share with your store with friends and family or colleagues to spread the word. Ask people to share your store with their network. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.